Molly Bud, what are you doing? Oh, hey there. Welcome back to the channel. I've tried to film a video probably 6 times this week, and I haven't been able to do that. Now, we both know the what do we do? Time. Brand new mounts. Same part numbers. The thread pitch is different on the two. So what? I don't know. What do we do? Well, so much for today's work. So we're going to give it a shot and see if we can't actually film something. If you don't know, this is our 67 Volvo Amazon 122S that we dragged out of the woods after sitting there for 35 years. It runs, it drives. It's got a Weber on it now. And the drive shaft makes a kind of noise that reminds me of Chewbacca. So we're going to jack this thing up and see what the underside looks like. This is Dina Machines. Coolant. We're leaking water. How much you want to bet our JB Weld failed, huh? Good news, everyone. I look a little better than usual. Now, I'm not talking about the tan. I'm talking about just quality in general. We got an iPhone, so we'll see if we can make our video quality a little bit better. Round 2 for motor mounts. I ordered 2 more of these bad boys, and it does look like they're coarse thread. So, that's not precarious at all. Let's slide these suckers in the corner here. How about this? There we go. I got wide angle view. Coming down. If you don't recall being under here previously, it is quite rusty. I mean, there's no hiding that that's the floor mat, and that's what's left of the floor. The important bits are good. A lot of undercoating. Comment down below if you know what that is. So drive shaft goes through the body of the car there, which does not unmount. So carrier bearing, this is right here, it's this guy. Sits in rubber. I can't see just yet if that looks cooked or not. Probably is. Then we've got air conditioning. We've got road companions. The rust is not bad. I mean, it's just floors, but the frame is good. Yeah, the frame's really good. How interesting is that? Look at this linkage for the e-brake. It's just like an idler arm for the e-brake. My e-brake works, by the way. Well, oh yeah, it's custom. So somehow I need to get that drive shaft out of there, which is not going to be fun. And of course, a part and repaired, so we'll see. Moving along on our video, tour of the underside. It's all pretty good. Overdrive unit looks to be seeping. So we'll have to try to track down a bushing for that. Bell housing, definitely have an oil leak, so probably rear main seal. I don't know, guys. We might be looking at an engine out service here in the near future. I do have a gasket set so I can do it all. Because I don't exactly have time right now. Work being what it is. So, of course, our exhaust looks like it's in great shape. Oh yeah. Be a little karate move. Yeah. That was nice. You did a cartwheel. That was good. You can see all the way in the back, maybe, kind of other side of the jack stand there. Exhaust is rusting apart. Yeah, there you go. Right there. Right in the middle of the screen. Hey, everybody. You're watching all the corn stuff. Okay, looking up under the front here, this thing is in really nice shape. Except for that spot there. If you move the camera over a little bit, you don't even notice most of the rest. But the subframe is in great shape. Motor mount, not so much. So let's see what we can do to try to change that. Of course, we've got the motor on a block. Being careful not to pinch our important things like our fuel lines. I did this so that the fuel line wasn't running over the top of the exhaust manifold. Comment down below if you would do something other than that. I'm open to suggestions. Let's get this motor mount out. That guy right there. Can't you see it? Oh, also comment down below if you like the new video quality with the old iPhone. So far, it seems to be doing pretty good. Here we go. Look at all that light that this thing gives me. Top over bottom, I don't believe that. She's on there. Oh, she's coming free. Remember not to put your fingers between the motor and the anywhere it can fall, really. Oh, looks like we gotta go higher. Can you take me higher? Or something. However that song goes. That was that one song with the guy. You remember, right? Whew, that is rough. Anybody want to take bets if this is gonna work? Whoa. Whew. The cool thing about YouTube is a lot of people from my past find my channel and reach out to me and say, hey man, I really like that one episode you did with the thing. Just kind of take a look at what I'm doing, and you know, a lot of people like old Volvos, so everybody can relate to a Volvo, I think. You always have that one family member or that road trip you did when you were a kid. You know, you and your sister were in the back seat and your dad was driving a little too spiritedly. Next thing you know, your sister's puking. Man, I miss being a kid. Alright, so that's the driver's side. I do have the passenger side. Look at this guy undone. Here, I'll put you in the super zoomed in mode. So, it's like when you're watching adult movies and next thing you know, you've got a real close-up view of a raisin and you're not sure. Looking up raisins on the internet. Whatever, you're already there. Might as well continue, right? Anyway, it broke free. Now I'm not sure if it's going to work, but I have 2 foot of extensions on that sucker. We'll see if we can't get that to go. Let me know. If anything breaks, you'll be the first to know. Hey! Oh good, the whole thing's spinning. Motor mount number 2. See if it goes straight in though, like the first one. Oh yeah, oh we're there, dude. Easy day, I think. Kind of. Oh god, oh, it's stuck. There's our old motor mounts. This one actually looks pretty good for, you know, 40 years old or whatever. But this one is not as great. Yeah, that's junk and junk. Oh yeah, Kobe. Well, that's done. I might have jacked the motor up too far and broke the pipe that we need to replace anyway. What I was talking about was the coolant return pipe here. Oh, you can barely see it. Right there is the very end of it. And when I had the motor jacked up, I think I just pinched that on the firewall. Heard a crunch, didn't pay too much attention, and as you can see down in there, yeah, she's wet, and it's not because she likes you. We have to take the carb and intake off, and of course the exhaust off, so that we can get to the pipe, which also runs all the way up right here. What is that to? I don't even know. Anyway, hey, there's my plug I made. See it? Boop. Just filled her full of milk. It's not dumb if it works or something like that. Anyway, I've actually got a new water pump for this thing, and I think I even bought belts for it. I don't remember. It's been a minute. It's quickly looking like we should take the whole head off so that I can fix the oil leak that's coming from the bottom of the head. Decisions we have to make. How far do we want to go? Oh, I should probably put an aluminum radiator in this thing as well. That way, all that is done. You can kind of see that it's seeping a little bit. Can you see? Yeah, you can see it. It's seeping just a little bit. So, yeah. Hey, if you feel like sponsoring a build, or if you just want to join in on our Patreon, this thing is quickly consuming dollars. Projects, gotta love them. I do feel like I'm obligated to start this thing for you now, considering all that hard work I just did. How good that thing runs. Nice and smooth. While I have this thing up on jack stands, I might as well get in here to this exhaust leak that I've got going on. I got a gasket. I don't know if it's the right one for that, but let's take it apart. That took way too damn long, but that's a part. Hey, fishing stuff. Comment down below if you like going fishing. Comment down below if you'd like to see me start a fishing channel. I caught a chunker. I can't get it in the boat, and I'm on super light tackle. Look at that fish. Oh my god, that thing's huge. I don't know if you can tell how big that thing is, but holy, that is a holy chunker. This sucker is heavy. That's gotta be 10 pounds. I don't know. It's huge. I don't even know if that's the right gasket. This is from a 144, I think. Pretty close. Can't tell. I don't think that's tight enough, that gasket. Maybe, maybe not. It's tough being 4 foot tall. I'm only a little bit taller than Joe Rogan, as you can see by how much I struggle with reaching. You know, if I was smart, I'd put a pair of vice grips or something on that. But we'll just pretend I'm not smart. Struggle with it for a while. Did I mention it's Friday? I'm tired and I'm all out of drink. Come on, you. Okay, I did the old camera trick. You know, I turned it off and everything went fine. So let me tighten this back up and see what we got. I think that's about as close as we're gonna get to getting this thing where we want it. What am I, in cinematic mode? Is that cool? Do it look good? Yeah, look how cool it looks. Yeah. Anyway, hold on. Yeah, we're not that high quality around here. Sorry, if you're looking for a movie, I'm not Michael Bay. Shit's not gonna explode unless I had beans. Anyway, let's see what it sounds like. It's better. It's not great. All that noise is coming out of the exhaust manifold. Well, what next? Anybody? I know. I got a perfect solution. Yes, the old welder. Yeah, I think we might just weld that shut. Means I gotta take the whole thing apart though. Added a couple big washers to the flange. We'll see if that helps seal it up a little. Probably not, it's still kind of loose. Got me a bit of a sunburn. Wow. So I think that's gonna be it for this thing today. Manifold's obviously leaking. I can't fix it tonight. Gasket's not gonna fix it. I think the flange may be bent on the downpipe. So we have two options. We can either weld it, which I kind of like because I have a welder and technically welding it would be free. And the other option is throwing a header, like a 4-to-1 header on this thing, or trying to get another gasket, maybe taking the pipe off, which isn't going to happen because it's rusted together. So I want to thank everybody for stopping by. This project has been a lot of fun. Of course, if you haven't seen the rest of the series, I don't even know what, I think it's like episode 8 now on this car. Again, it sat in the woods for 35 years, so what more do you want? But it's fun to drive. I like putting around town with it. I can't wait to get the drive shaft out of it, which may be the next episode, or I'm going to take some time to throw some linseed oil at it, if that's your thing. Well, I mean, everybody has their own name, right? Patina sauce, Puddin's Fab Shop has sweet patina, and Vice Grip Garage, Derek has his own concoction of something. I just use linseed oil, just wipe it down. Just throw it on there, I don't know. So, thanks for stopping by. If you want to support the channel, your best bet is go to Patreon. Toss in $2 a month. That goes towards the parts fund because, yeah, parts, you know. See you tomorrow. How about you go out and fix something, huh? Have a good night. What am I, in cinematic mode? Is that cool? Do it look good? Yeah, look how cool it looks. Yeah. Anyway, hold on.